Welcome student. Today we shall begin with next part of the lesson, health and disease. Let us first look the definition of non-infectious disease. Non-infectious diseases which do not occur through infection and body contact are called as non-infectious disease. Now, as we saw the definition of infectious disease, it causes because of contaminated air, water, food. But here reason is different. The disease arises in human body itself. This disease called as non-infectious disease. Such a disease arises in human body itself due to certain reason. First non-infectious disease, cancer. Uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth is called as cancer. Group or lump of cancerous cell is called as malignant tumor. Lump means any abnormal mass in the body, we can say. I can put the picture for your reference. Cancer can occur in various organs: lungs, mouth, uterus, skin and tissue like blood. Reasons: consumption of tobacco, gutka, smoking, alcoholism. Yes student, it is very bad for our health. Lack of fiber content fruits and leafy vegetables in food. Excessive consumption of junk food like pizza, burger are some of the many possible reasons. Heredity may also be a reason. Now, once again I will repeat. Heredity means particular characteristics transfer from parents to offspring. Symptoms: chronic cough, hoarse voice, difficult in swallowing. Chronic cough means we are suffer from cough for period of a time. Hoarse voice means rough voice. Incurable scar and inflammation. Scar means a mark on the skin, and inflammation means a condition in which a part of the body become red. Lump in breast. Unexplained weight loss. Do you know the modern diagnostic and treatment of a cancer? Various techniques like CT scan, MRI scan, mammography, biopsy are used in diagnosis of cancer. In case of treatment, along with conventional methods like chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and surgery, modern techniques like robotics and laparoscopy surgery are also used. So these are the various techniques by which cancer can detect and treat as well. Earlier, we did not have so many ways, but now a science grown so much. Cancer can be cured by various such techniques. Always remember, control Diet helps to prevent some types of cancer. Physical exercise along with the modern treatment is more beneficial to cure the cancer. Avoid the addiction like tobacco, chewing, smoking, etc. Yes, student, all these are bad habits. It only causes the number of diseases. That is why we should always stay away from such addiction. We always perform the physical exercise which may help our body to be fit and healthy. Second disease, diabetes. The hormone insulin produced in pancreas control the level of sugar glucose in blood. If insulin is secreted in lower quantity, glucose level can't be controlled. This disorder is called as diabetes. Basically, what happens in diabetes, glucose level or sugar level in our body increases or even decreases, so it causes diabetes, which means glucose level should be very perfect in our body. Then only we can't suffer from diabetes. Symptoms: frequent urination at night, increased obesity or weight loss. Here, person may be gain a weight or he or she may lose lot of weight. Heredity is the reason of diabetes. Lack of physical exercise, mental stress. Preventive measures: following the proper diet, medicine and exercise under the supervision of the doctor helps to keep the diabetes under control. Yes, student, we should always have a proper diet and always exercise to keep all diseases away from us. Did you know India has the largest number of diabetes patients in the world? At present, approximately 7 crore diabetes patients are present in the country. Third disease, heart disease. Heart disease. Efficiency of the heart decrease due to decreased blood supply and thereby oxygen and nutrient supply to the heart muscles. Here, efficiency means ability of heart to do its work. Now when does happen? When blood supply or oxygen and nutrient supply to the muscles of heart are reduced or decreased, the heart cannot perform its activity or function well. Due to this, heart has to perform more work that leads to stress on it. This may cause heart attack. If someone has heart attack, immediate consultation of doctor and treatment is necessary. Symptoms of heart: severe chest pain, pain in shoulder, neck and arms, cramps in hand, uneasiness and tremor. Tremor means slightly shaking movement in the body. Reason of the heart attack: smoking, alcoholism, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, lack of physical exercise, heredity, mental stress, anger, and anxiety means feeling worry. Now, if you all notice one same common thing in all three diseases, which we'll learn about, we will find that physical exercise, mental stress, and obesity are the main reason for all these non-infectious diseases, which means that we should do exercise daily to keep ourselves fit. We shall have a proper diet and as well as we should be stress free. Then we can lead a happy life. Here is the various techniques to treat heart disease. Angioplasty, bypass surgery, open heart surgery, heart transplant, installation of stent, installation of pacemaker. First aid for heart disease. Now student, it is very important and each and every person know these first aids for heart disease. So that we will do first. First call 108 for ambulance. Check the consciousness of the patient by shaking the shoulder. Keep the patient laying on the back in the horizontal position and hard surface and perform compression only life support COLS. In this, press the center of thorax for at least 30 times at the rate of 100 to 120 stroke per minute. I just put the picture so you can understand it. This means you save the life. Thank you.